Ciao! Welcome to Maria Teresa's kitchen. In this video I want to show you how to make Treccine di ricotta, and this is a traditional cookie that I make for Pasqua or Easter. In a mixing bowl, add the ricotta, the sugar, the lemon zest and the vanilla. Mix everything together until smooth. Add the baking powder to the flour. Whisk it together. Add the flour mixture to the ricotta and mix again until combined. Finish by hand. When the bowl is clean, your dough is ready. Divide it in 6 or 7 pieces and roll it out to form braids. Bake at 350 for 15 minutes. Let them cool in a rack. To prepare the glaze, add the lemon juice and the powdered sugar to a small saucepan. Bring it to a boil. Spread the glaze on top of the cookies. You can later decorate it with sprinkles. I hope you like this video and I'll see you next time.